What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? This is Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and today it's going to be an extended review on something that I recently purchased to go along with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that is the Apple Wallet. Let's talk a little bit about it. Alright everybody, thank each and every one of you wonderful individuals for stopping on by once again. If you are new to the channel and this is perhaps your first video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon if this type of content interests you, so that way you'll be notified each and every time we post videos or content to this channel. So when the brand new iPhone came out, I did a little bit of a review and kind of a stocking stuffer idea for this particular case that goes along with the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And something that I also purchased that I thought was a really good stocking stuffer was the Apple MagSafe wallet. Now, having used this on a daily basis, the leather of the actual Apple wallet has started to get broken in very smooth. It's not as tight and rigid as it once was, and it comfortably fits 3 cards. Right now, currently, I have my ID and 2 credit cards, one from my bank and one from Capital One. And it very easily fits these cards in there. Very tight, very secure. They don't fall out. But what I like about it, see, and I can continue to do it, what I do like about it is that a 4th card could be put in there to make it much tighter, but I feel 3 cards is more than enough. Obviously, if you are somebody who carries around multiple cards and things like that, this is obviously not for you. But if you're trying to minimize what you carry around with you and always want it on the back of your phone, which I have never had this thing fall down, shaking it pretty violently. I don't really rush when I put this in my pocket, whether it be the back pocket or the front pocket, so it's never really fallen off. As I'm walking around, when I do have my phone, it's always like this, and I'm securely holding the back of the phone, which is where the wallet sits. Now again, this is my own personal opinion, this is my own personal review of the wallet, and this is my personal experience that I've had with this wallet since it first came out. And for me, this is a great way to stay minimal and carry around your necessities that you need on a daily basis when it comes to funds, if you don't need to carry around some cash. If you want to carry around some cash and maybe a card, this can still fit a few bills on top of your ID and maybe a credit card or your debit card, but comfortably it has been working incredible for me. It's one less thing I have to worry about. Basically, I grab this and my car keys and I am out the door. I am good to go if I'm just running to the store or running a quick errand. Now, the stitching on this thing, if you can see right there, has not come undone at all. And the overall build quality, in my opinion, is incredible for the price. Now, I know it's not cheap, but for the price, you have to admit it is one of the cheaper accessories you can get that Apple has made, which at the recording of this video retails for $59.99. It comes in a few colors: Baltic Blue, California Poppy, which to me is a little bit too bright, Saddle Brown, which is this color right here, and then it also comes in black. Now for me, the contrast colors that pop off of the actual iPhone, that is the cobalt blue with the sandy brown, in my opinion, is incredibly nice, and I do like the contrast that it gives. I didn't want to get a wallet that matches the exact color, and I didn't want to get a black one because I feel that it wouldn't go too well with this particular iPhone color. Now again, these are my opinions, but from what I can tell you is that this wallet is an incredible way, as I've mentioned, to keep things minimal and to just grab your phone and keys and run out the door. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Is this something that you have purchased? Are you still in the market for a minimal wallet and you're looking to accessorize the fact that your phone now has MagSafe technology built in and you're looking to purchase one? Let me know in the comments what you think. For me, this is a major win, this is a major go, and I would definitely recommend this wallet. And I consider this a great way to keep around your minimal essentials, such as your ID, credit card or 2, or maybe a credit card and a few dollars. But that about wraps up this video, everybody. I just wanted to share with you my experience and my opinions on the Apple MagSafe wallet. Again, leave your comments down below. Be that cool person that gives me a thumbs up, or press the 2 thumbs down, and I'll catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.